I use Chaos Black. You need to shake a lot. You pop the lid off and then your directions can vary, and for all and short bursts when you are not hold it in, not like that, but short bursts that will make a good result. I really like this primer because it's priming really thin to the miniature, so that no details are lost. If it was just plastic miniatures, you could actually skip primers, but since a lot of those miniatures here are metal, you want to have something that hefts into the metal, and this paint are constructed to make a texture which all the other paints can attach to. Because if you're putting just a regular paint on metal, it will not stick. Simple as that. This is like gave them a climbing rope and they can climb on it. Kind of, I don't know. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know. But yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Okay.